welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I'm Jennifer. So today I was planning to do like a vlog, so where I can talk about unboxing. If you remember, I went to India in April and I bought some stuff from there and I sent them in a box to here in my home, like in France. So I received the box and I was thinking about what if I open that with you guys and react with you about what I bought. So I bought some snacks, some jewelry, some clothing. As you know, I'm originally Sri Lankan, so I love like Indian clothes. It's really beautiful, like a lot of sparkles. I was thinking about doing that with you guys, so let's see what is inside the box. So let's go. So this is an Indian spicy snack that I'm showing you guys. So this is what Indian usually eat during break time. So here I'm gonna show you guys 3 different color of sari with the same design that I bought for my mom. So the first one is blue with purple and gold pattern inside and outside, even on the side of the sari. The second one is pink and dark blue with gold pattern inside and outside, like the first one. And the last one is in green and blue and a little bit purple, and also there is gold pattern inside and outside. Actually, I bought 3 saris and 3 dress. Okay, so this is my top. This is how it looks like. It's in velvet, so here is where you put your arm. So yeah, it's like that. Then you have some design on top of the shirt. And here the skirt. So this is how it looks like. The skirt is in velvet and there's some design on the is very tight. The skirt is too long, it's too loose. So this is not that long actually, but it is super beautiful. The color is a good color and it's matching really with the black top. My second dress, so this is a dress actually. There's some cute patterns and it's like flowers. Yeah, you can see the flower. It's in velvet, but the skirt is not in velvet. I don't know how to explain the texture of the skirt, I'm so sorry. So here there's a small piece between the top and the skirt. So here's some decoration on it. Here there's some space, so you will see your skin, but not that much. And for that, of course, you should wear heels too, because it's super long and like I'm a short person, so you have to wear heels. In my third dress, I'm so sorry, I don't know where is my dress. So I'm gonna show you some pictures, some videos that I took, because when I was in India, the third dress, actually I used that for a wedding and I wear this one, so I took a lot of videos because I found this shirt so beautiful. So thank you guys for watching my vlog. It was a pleasure to come talk to you like on facecam and showing what I bought, what I really choose from India. So don't forget to put some thumbs up, to put some comments under my video, and let me know which dress did you like, which jewelries did you like, something like that. And of course, subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye!